Mumbai Pav Bhaji. Ingredients: chopped onions 3, chopped tomatoes 2, chopped capsicum half cup, chopped coriander half cup, boiled and chopped potatoes 3, boiled green peas 1 cup, boiled and chopped carrots 1/4 cup, boiled and mashed beetroot 1/4 cup, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, butter 2 tablespoons, pav bhaji masala 2 tablespoons, red chili powder 2 teaspoons, kasuri methi 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and salt as required. Heat 2 teaspoons oil in a pan or kadai. Now add 2 tablespoons butter in the pan and let it melt completely. Add the chopped onions to the butter and cook till the onions become translucent. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook till they become soft and mushy. When the tomatoes soften, add the chopped capsicum and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Now add the boiled vegetables, boiled and chopped potatoes, boiled and chopped carrot, boiled green peas, and boiled and mashed beetroot. Mix well. Use a potato masher to mash and mix the vegetables. Add water and mash again till you get the desired consistency. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons pav bhaji masala, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons salt. Add water as required and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Mash again if required. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi and chopped coriander. Mix well. Pav bhaji is ready to be served. Top it with a cube of butter. Serve with lightly pan-fried and buttered pav, chopped onions, coriander and lemon wedges.